Okay, this is my setup. As you can see, I wonder if I can let more light in. You can see better. I don't know if that's better. I have some Sennheisers. These are pretty old. I've had them for like 4 years or so. They still hold up pretty well. I have what do they call a salt lamp? Yeah, these are pretty cool. Got it for like 12 pounds on Amazon. It's a good deal. You should get yourself one. I have a controller for when I need to like play games that you can't really use like mouse and keyboard with. I just use this. And then I have some Bose sound links. Wait, can you see better? Ooh, okay, this is better. Yeah. And then my mouse and keyboard. So can you focus? Oh my god. Yeah, G403, really good mouse, standard. Then this is a Dravo keyboard. It's pretty cheap, like 30 pounds on Amazon. It's pretty good. Brown switches, feel nice. I have like a pillow under the monitor. Why? I don't know. I guess it like looks nice. Got some pop figures, Harry Potter, Bleach. What? That's One Piece and that's Bleach. Star Wars. Zoro, Ichigo. That guy. Of course you know his name. These are my monitors. I have, what is this called? I forgot what it's called. So this is 144 hertz, and this is like a standard 60 hertz IPS VA panel. And then got one of those Amazon mics. This is a newer mic, newer 700, no 7000. Yeah. I got like all these. I got the stand and this thing together in the bundle. It came with that, so it was like a full set. That was pretty cool. Then this is my PC. That if only there was like a better way. Oh, that's it. And then GTX 1060, Ryzen 1700, and what else do you need to know? 8 gigabytes of RAM, 2 terabytes. That's pretty much it. Oh, and my speaker, SRS X. What? XB40. Yeah, that's what it's called. And yeah, I guess maybe I'll include like pictures, like a picture montage. I have posters here. If you're a fan of any of this stuff. So, oh yeah, and there are like boxes. Oh, I used to have Ryzen 3 and I like upgraded it. Ryzen 7 was pretty cheap. It was like 180 pounds. Yeah, it was a good buy. I don't regret. I regret nothing, and that's just like outside. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Probably, dude. Wait, let me close the window actually. It's less clear, but oh, I have a purple light bulb. Cool.